Who's ready to eat some rap snacks? I'm ready to eat some rap snacks. I'm ready to eat some rap snacks. Who's ready to eat some rap snacks? Hey babes, I got some rap snacks and I'm about to review them. Oh, we are about to do a review. These are from the US and they recently just came to Canada. Do a review for you guys, so I'm gonna taste test each one. I'm gonna rate them, 1 being the worst and 5 being the best tasting chip ever. So let's just get right into it. So right now I'm going to be trying the Cardi B Jerk Barbecue. And there's also little quotes on the back. This one says, being successful in life and in the music business is all about being true to who you are, knowing your self-worth, never sweating the small things, and always following your gut instincts. If you follow this rule of thumb, it will eventually create a recipe for success. Cardi B. Woo! It don't smell like jerk though. Let's just try it. Okay. Okay. Definitely has the jerk flavoring. 1 to 5. I'm giving this one a 4. I'm rating this chip a 4 because it kind of tastes a little bit powdery. Let me try again. I taste a little bit of jerk, but I feel like it's missing something. I just can't quite figure it out. Next, we got Lil Yachty hot cheese fries. On the back, the quote is, don't be afraid of being different. Be afraid of being the same as everyone else. Lil Yachty. This is what they look like. And let's try them out. I don't really have a smell. Kind of just tastes like hot flaming Cheetos. I like spicy stuff, so I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. These are pretty fire and hot. They're pretty good. Let me just try like one more. Whoa. Okay, the heat's trying to creep up a bit. Okay. These are really hot. After you eat a few of them, they start...
He needs some milk!
Oh shit, that activated it. Next up, we have the Cardi B Honey Drip Butter Popcorn. Looks like this. I'm pretty sure that this is the same quote on the other chips, but let's just try them out. I love popcorn. I'm a popcorn lover, so... Ooh, smells like butter. Oh my gosh, this has like a unique flavor to it. It kind of tastes a bit sweet and salty. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 because I love popcorn. And it's exactly what it says it's gonna be. Honey drip, butter popcorn. Where you taste sweet and salty, and then you taste like a honey flavor. It's pretty good. Ew. Next up, we have the Migos with the white cheddar with a dab of ranch popcorn. On the back, they also have a quote. It says, "We take pride in setting the tone for the culture of hip-hop. We will always remember what got us here, hard work, dedication, and teamwork. Our dreams are what inspires us. Don't stop dreaming." Migos. This is what the bag looks like. Now, let's test them out. Let's try it out. Woo-wee! It's some white cheddar with a dab of ranch. First you taste the white cheddar, then the ranch. I'm gonna give this one like a 3 out of 5 though, just because it's not as potent as I want it to be. But it's still good. Still a nice little snack. The Cardi B Cheddar Barbecue flavored potato chips. They look like this. Now I'm not gonna read the quote on the back because it's the exact same as the other 2 chips, but I am going to taste test them for you guys. So let's open her up. I don't really have a smell either. Cheddar barbecue. Ow! These are good. 5 out of 5. Get you some of these. First you taste the barbecue in it, and then it's like a hint of cheddar that comes in afterwards. I think these may be her best chip yet. We got another Migos wrap snack review. That's what they look like. These ones are called Barbecuing with My Honey with a Dab of Ranch. I am not gonna read the quote on the back because I believe it's the same quote, so I'm not gonna bother. But we will do a taste test for you guys. Let's open her up. Let's try it out. These have such unique flavors. So let's try them out now. They are the Barbecuing with My Honey with a Dab of Ranch. That was a small chip, but let me try again. They're good. They don't taste like ranch. I taste the barbecue. I don't know what the other flavor is, but it don't taste like ranch. It tastes like barbecue, but I don't know what the other flavor tastes like. Definitely doesn't taste like ranch. Based off the name of them, I wouldn't give it a 5 out of 5 if I was looking for barbecue with ranch. I'm giving them a 2 though, because based off of the name of the chip don't match the flavor. I don't know what they taste like. They're good, but like I said, going by the name of the chip, it doesn't match with the flavor. Chip flavor, chip flavor. The name of it don't match. Cool. So we have another Migos chip review. This is what they look like. We've tried the popcorn version and the chip version, and these ones are the cheese puff, cheddar with a dab of ranch. I'm not gonna read the quote again because same as the other ones, so let's just try it out. They have good flavor to them. Definitely taste like what it says. And they have a lot of flavor on them. This is what they look like. So out of all 3 of them, I like the cheese puff ones the best. On a scale of 1 to 5 for these chips, I'm gonna give it a 5 because it has a lot of flavor. The cheddar and the ranch sauce actually comes through on the cheese puff rather than the chip and the popcorn. It actually holds its flavor and it's really flavorful. These ones are the best. Last chip review. We have another Cardi B chip, hot cheese popcorn. By the look of it, it's extremely hot. I'm not gonna read the quote because the quote is the same as her other chips. So let's pop it open. Super nerd. Oh my gosh. There we go. Lightly flavored. I see why they're lightly flavored. These are hot. Woo! I can't even eat anymore. Oh my gosh, these are really hot. I'm giving this a 1 because I like hot, but this and popcorn does not mix. Yeah. So out of all the wrap snacks, I recommend the Cardi B Cheddar Barbecue. The white cheddar with a dab of ranch, cheese puffs by Migos. And the honey drip popcorn by Cardi B. These ones, in my opinion, were the best wrap snacks. So if you want to try them out, I'm telling you, try these ones out. Forget the other ones. These ones are the best ones, in my opinion. And for the least favorite chip that I tried would have to be the Lil Yachty's hot cheese fries. I like hot stuff, but these were too hot. Yeah. These are what the French would call garbaggio. Guys, if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And let me know in the comments below if these are the types of videos you guys like to watch. If so, I can do more reviews for you guys. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if there's anything that you guys would like to see reviewed, I can definitely do that in another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out my other videos if you haven't already. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Oh. Okay. Be sure to give him a big thumbs up. Babe, stop it for now. You got the Lil Yachties. I know you want this for life. Taking pictures with all my ice. What's with all the hot shit? No, I can't, man.